Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today we're gonna go over a different deal. I haven't shared a Publix deal and I'm so excited. This will be the first one for 2020. I know this week there was many great deals, so I'm like, you know what? Let me just get started and share with you guys too. That way you get started with some of those best deals for Publix. Remember that Publix, the way that it starts varies depending on your region. Some places starts on Wednesday, that will be January 15th. Other places will be on Thursday, January 16th. So in my area, it starts on Thursday. So we're gonna go over. I'm gonna be doing the same thing I've been doing with CVS. I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks like in the ad, and I'm so happy that I got to see the ad early on. This is from the couponing couple, so shout out to them for having the ad so early on. So we're gonna get started with the Publix matchup deals, and this one we're gonna go and start with the Monte Fruit. This deal is for 4-pack or the 2-pack 7-ounce cup, and as you see, it's 5 for $10 or $2 each. So the best deal idea will be buying 2, so that total will be for $4. And as you can see, the regular price is $2.79. There is coupons, as you see, that came on this Sunday's paper on the Smart Source January 5th. Deducting 75 cents off one, and as you can see, they have the chia or the oats, so you could just mix and match and select the one that you really want to try or you liked already, because I don't know if you guys have tried it yet. So we use 2 of these coupons, and there is a coupon in the green flyer. We have this deal month back, and it's a similar one. The coupon will be in the in the green flyer from Publix, and as you see, the coupon does say buy one get one. So with this coupon, it's going to deduct $2, and these 2 coupons is going to deduct $1.50, making it 50 cents or just 25 cents each, which is such a great deal to do at Publix. So the next deal we're going to go over is the Kelloggs Fruit Loop cereal, but you also see that Apple Jacks is going to be included, Frosted Flakes, Raisin Bran, and it's giving you the sizes, and it says save up to $7.69. So depending on the price in your store for those Kellogg's cereal, and remember, these are just the ones that are included, and it's buy one get one. So I'm going to show you 2 different deal ideas, but also keep in mind the prices do vary depending on the sizes of Frosted Flakes. So let's say that the Frosted Flakes in your store is $4.79, and I'm just selecting Frosted Flakes as one of our favorites, but you could just mix and match depending which one is going to be on BOGO. And there's a coupon that we did receive on the retail amount on this Sunday as well, January 5th, deducting $1 off 2. I believe that's a printable, and I'm going to provide that in the description box. That way you can just print it if you don't have the insert. So then you will pay $3.79, and don't forget to submit your receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards, because every product that you purchase from Kellogg's Family, you just submit your receipt. It's very easy, and they just give you points, and those points, I like to redeem them for high value coupons, and the price sometimes of points will cost you like 850 points will be for $1 coupon. $1 off one, and that way you have bigger savings for things that you're already buying. So I did a video more about that. I'm going to put it in the section in case you want to check it out. So your total will be $1.90, which I think is a lot, you know, for the cereal, but it does depend on the size also, so keep that in mind. Here is a deal idea. This one will be for the Kellogg's cereal, and as you see, Saving Star has a cash back. Spend 25, get 5. I already have some already accumulated because I did the special K at CVS, so I just need a little bit more to get back those $5. So here's a way that you could get it. Buy 12, but remember, only buy 12 if this is the price. So if it's a little bit higher or less, the amount you need to buy might be different. So if you buy 12, it will be $28.74. Use 6. Also use printable. Just make sure that you read the fine print in case there is a limit. Sometimes they have a limit of 4, so then you could just mix and match. Use printable or use the ones in the insert. Also, you don't need to do all these in a transaction. You could just continue submitting your receipt since this expires in March 31st. So now your new total will be $22.74. Submitted for Kellogg's Family Rewards. That way you get a lot of points. And then submit it to Saving Star, where you should get back $5, making it $17.74 or $1.48 each, which that is a pretty good deal. So now we're going to continue with the ad, and we're going to go over the Nabisco Oreo Thins sandwich cookies, and it does say 10.1 ounce, and it's buy one get one free, and it says you're going to save up to $3.89. So I believe that's the highest price there is. We've seen it for $3.39. And remember, these are the Oreo Thin, and we're going to be getting coupons this Sunday on January 12th. So be on the lookout for that to see if you get these coupons. It's deducting 75 cents off 2 package of Oreo cookies, and I believe that's the same ounces or larger. So if you use one of those coupons, you will pay $2.64. But check your savings star, because I did see this offer there. For Oreo cookies, it doesn't have to be the thin, but just to see it in the picture, you need to buy 2 to get back $1. So if you have this activated, or if you have it in your Savings Star app, your new total will be 82 cents each. So we're going to move on with the ad, and the other deal I want to mention is the Blue Diamond almonds. As you see, it does include the natural, roasted, toasted, smokehouse, bold, or low sodium. So many to choose from. This is buy one get one free, and it's gonna we are saving up to $3.99. So you know we have coupons since November 24. So buy 2 for $3.87 since it's on BOGO. Use that coupon, deducting $1.50 off 2. Your new total will be $2.37 or $1.19 each. The next deal we're going to talk about is Kellogg's Eggo waffles. I was going to mention the Dole frozen fruit, but once I checked, that printable is no longer available. So if it does become active again, then it will be a great deal. But now we're just going to talk about Kellogg's Eggo waffles. And as you know, we already mentioned Kellogg's. So if you do this deal, submit it to the family Kellogg's Family Rewards. So buy 2 for $2.87. Use a coupon from this Sunday's paper, January 5th, deducting $1 off 2. You will pay $1.87, submit it to Kellogg's Family Rewards, and that will be just 94 cents for each, which is a great deal. So then the next deal, guys, is Tyson chicken nuggets or tender, buy one get one free, and it does say that savings up to $6.79. So it does vary. The price does vary. So I've seen it for $5.99. If these are included, the crispy chicken strips, and the reason is because there is an Ibotta offer. So make sure you activate them. And also, this is a tip, this is something that I always do when I see that there's an offer for Ibotta. What I do is I scan it, I open my app, I scan it to make sure that the product does qualify. That way it guarantees me that I'm going to get that cash back. So if you do scan that and it does qualify, buy 2 of these since they're going to be on BOGO for $5.99. There is no coupons, so let's see if we get any coupons on January 19th. But in the meantime, just pay $5.99, submit it to Ibotta, getting $1 back for each, and it's a limit of 5. So you're gonna get back 2, making it $1.99, which is great for a bag of Tyson crispy chicken strips. So we're gonna continue, and this one is, I don't know how you say this, but I think it's Miyoko's Creamery Vegan Cream Cheese. This is a vegan cream cheese, and as you know, if anything that's vegan is going to be very pricey, and here it could go up to $6.15. So that is great. That is on BOGO. So we've seen it for $5.99, and there is no coupons. Hopefully we get some printables for this product. So that's how much you will pay, but there is also cash back from Ibotta, and this one is giving back $1.50 off of 1, and it's a limit of 3. So this will be perfect to try a product that is a $6 to get it just $1.50. So if you're new to Ibotta, you could use my referral code, and you will get an incentive just for starting with this cash back, and submit your receipt for deals like this one. So going on with the ad, we're gonna go over the one in the bottom that says I can't believe it's not butter spread, and it lets you know which one's going to be included, and it's going to be buy one get one free. So this one does also, the prices are very different. You see the picture, my store is $3.59. It's going to be on BOGO, so you could use 2 coupons, deducting 50 cents. But keep in mind that this coupon expires on January 19, which is almost made of this ad. So use 2 of those coupons, deducting 50 cents. You will pay $2.59. But check your savings start, because I did see this today. There's a cashback offer, 50 cents for I can't believe it's not butter. So if you have this in your Savings Star app, then you will get back 50 cents, making it $2.09, or just $1.05 each, which is a nice difference from $3.59. So this is a different spot in the ad, and we're gonna talk about the Boost Nutritional drink. This one is buy 3 get 5 off, and it also lets you know the ones that are going to be included, like high protein drink. But remember, these sometimes the price is a little bit higher. So we are gonna say we buy 6 for $7.99. That's the price I seen it in the store, and it's gonna deduct $5 off for buying 3. So since we're buying 6, it's gonna deduct $10. So from $47.94 it will be $37.94. Use 3 coupons, deducting 5 off 2, so you will pay $22.94, making it $3.82 each. I remember back in the days, every time I used to shop in Publix, we used to get all these coupons for that you're able to spend, let's say $30, and it will deduct $5 from your trip. And most of those were like Winn-Dixie coupons and sometimes Target. So this is the time that I would do a haul like this one, because it will deduct another $5. So if you have any of those coupons that it will deduct 5 for spending 30 or spending 35, then this will be a great deal. Okay, so we are going to talk about this one is grown in Idaho fries, buy 1 get 1 free. And this deal is I love some of these fries. They're $3.35 on BOGO, but this deal you cannot do it when the ad starts, because this coupon is expected for us to get it on January 19th. Meaning that's going to be that Sunday while this ad is active. But if you do get your coupons early, then you might be able to do this deal on Thursday. So just wait for that coupon, because it's worth it, and that coupon is will deduct $1 off 1. So you will use 2. That way your total comes out to $135, making it 94 cents each. Now we're going to talk about something that's interesting. I love that Publix have different type of programs like this one, and this one is called Save the Day, Stack the Savings. Earn a $5 Publix gift card for every qualifying $20 purchase. There is a link that will show you all of the ones that qualify. Is mostly these that you see here, these brand. So we're gonna mix and match a deal that's going on. This started January 2nd and it will end on April 15th. So what we're gonna do is you need to spend $20. I'm just gonna show you a deal idea, since these 2 products are going to be on special. Stock cold brew coffee is 2 for $5, and Silk, not just cashew milk, but it's telling you all of the ones that are going to be included, is 2 for $6. So we want to reach $20, so we're going to get 2 of the cold brew coffee, and we're going to get 5 of the Silk milk, which I love this milk. There's the one that I always buy, or the other one, the almond breeze. And so right here we have 20 for buying 7 products. There's printables for Silk, 65 cents, which you could use. There's also coupons in the Publix digital or Publix app. It's just going to deduct just $1 off 1, so you could just mix and match, get 4 from 65 cents, 1 from digital from Publix. Also, you can sign up with Silk website and get 2 of the dollar coupons. So it depends which coupons you do have. But in this case, you could just use the printable. You will pay $16.75, submit your receipt, so you could get back a $5 Publix gift card, making it a new total of $1.68, which is such a great deal. As you see, the original price is $3.40. So we're going to continue with the ad, and this one's going to be Eggland's Best Eggs. This is 2 for $4. And so that means that they're going to be for $2. There has been different coupons. We just got some on January 5th, also on October 13th. Deducting 55 cents of the Eggland's Best. They do have different options. Just make sure this is the one that's on special. So from $2 using that coupon, your new total is $1.45 for eggs. So that's a really good deal too. This one we're going to talk about soft soap hand soap, 2 for $4. And this will be a great deal if you find the Publix tear pad. And you know, those sometimes are gone so quickly. But if you do find that tear pad is on Publix, usually they put them on this section by soft soap or by Colgate. And it will deduct $4 when you buy 4 of specific products. And it does include the soft soap. So buy 4 for $2. That will be $8. Use that tear pad. And use 4 coupons that are coming on this Sunday's paper on Smart Source, deducting 50 cents off 1. So use 4. After those coupons, your new total is $2, making it 50 cents each. So guys, these are all the best deals. The printable coupons are going to be provided in the description box, and the cashback offers, since there's some cashback offers there. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.